Technology is at the core of everything we do. The tools we use and the data derived is the lifeblood that drives strategic decisions and economic advantage over the competition. As businesses continue to adapt, understanding how to manage your ever-evolving software and licensing landscape will become even more critical.
The software industry is an interesting one because we're dealing with non-tangible assets. Software isn't purchased, it's licensed. A lot of times the buyer fundamentally doesn't know what they need. They don't know the quantities of licenses and how it's going to be consumed exactly according to some very stringent terms and conditions in a contract, keeping in mind that that contract can change without you even knowing it.
The problem today is that as the industry grows and the number of publishers that are out there increase, there's more and more raw data that clients are responsible for managing. 9 times out of 10, the difficulty is in understanding that information. Elevate, through Anglepoint, we go in, we shine a light into every corner and sweep everything out. Because the action of project management is something that has been addressed in many places. It's more so our adaptation of the product management with the automation and that third piece of our built-in workflows.
Well, we've been able to leverage AI in a way that allows us to get extremely accurate, extremely quickly, using deep neural networks to do automated categorization and mapping of different data components that have vastly increased our speed and accuracy with certain tasks that would normally take a lot of manual effort to do that accurate. With things like Active Directory data, being able to differentiate system accounts from actual users, we're able to get 99.7% accuracy at a fraction of the time that it would have normally taken a consultant to do manually. And the great thing is that that consultant can still review that 0.3% that it was less confident in, do the mapping and categorization manually, and then feed that back into the model so that it's self-improving every single time we run it.
What typically takes customers many, many months to classify each of the different instances and align them with the appropriate product sets, we are able to accomplish within about 3 days.
We've set out to assemble the world's foremost experts in licensing of certain publishers, regardless of where they live. That way we can take the best expertise on the planet, literally, and apply that to a managed service to any client, no matter where they live.
I was working with a client and we were going through their contract. We were able to identify areas we could reshape and mold within their next renewal. The client was able to not only trim their contract by over $1.5 million, but they were able to also get significant flexibility within their contract.
Putting together the agile management piece, the approach from a standardized and a well-used software development practice, and the knowledge provided from our experienced and knowledgeable practitioners, meshing those two together is what really builds the product into a powerful platform that isn't seen anywhere else.
Elevate is the faster, more intelligent approach to analyzing your software estate. Align your people, processes, and technologies to enhance your decision-making with clear, actionable data. Push onward and move upward with Elevate.